failed to call the Gemini API. Try again later. So you try to launch a command in Google AI Studio, and then this came up, and sometimes you might even see this error, right? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video I'm going to show you how to go around it. Okay, so you see that you have the code assistant right here. When you have any issue with your app, you can chat with it directly from this section. So all that you have to do is simply come and then type, please, I tried to use the app and it says this failed to call the Gemini API. Please try again. Please, can you fix it? Just ask it to fix it and come and click on the send button. And all that you have to do is simply relax, and it is going to rewrite the code and fix it and tell you exactly what happened. So as you can see, the main reason why I am finding this, or I'm seeing this, is because it has been outdated, and then that was what was causing the API, okay, fails, and it has updated it, and then now I'm not going to see the error again. Okay, so after fixing it, simply come here. You can see that it is on save. Come and then click on the save, and that is it. You have fixed the issue. Okay, so anytime you find any issue, just ask the AI assistant and it's going to fix it for you.